Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. As a one-woman show with my content creation, I really appreciate it when I find little tools that help me improve my recording process. This OmniMaster Selfie screen monitor has been just what I needed to have that extra set of eyes and hands on my recording set. It was a nice surprise that setup of this tool was so simple. The monitor came fully charged, and the on-screen instructions really walked me right through the process of syncing it. I have a Samsung Galaxy S24, and using the SmartCast tool only took me about a minute or less to mirror my screen and begin using it. The universal holder that it came with has a really strong magnet, and it keeps my phone super steady as I adjust it on the tripod for different angles. And as you can see, there's almost no lag while I'm navigating through apps or I'm using the camera to record. Using the rear camera now for all of my video content has been a huge upgrade. Now all of my content is more consistent, and it always has the highest resolution that my phone can offer. This OmniMaster Selfie monitor screen has really taken my content to the next level. So if you're looking to boost the quality of your content and make your process more efficient, you need to check it out. And that's my point of view.